Hey guys, so I have here my JBL VIBE100tws earbuds, and in this video I want to show you how to unpair these earbuds from all devices that they are currently paired to. For example, when somebody hijacks your earbuds and you're not able to connect to them anymore. And the process we use for this is called the factory reset. And this process may also help you fix other problems that you may have with these earbuds. You just need to consider that when you go through the factory reset, you also have to pair these earbuds again to your own smartphone. That's the only thing we have to do after we went through this process. So right now you can see here the Vibe 100 are still connected at this point to my smartphone. And we only need one earbud at this time, so we can put one of them to the side. Doesn't matter which one, the left one or the right one. And now the one that we still have in our hand, we're going to press the button twice, and then afterwards we're going to press and hold it for more than 5 seconds. So let me show you this here. I press 1, 2, and then I press and hold for 5 seconds. And then eventually both earbuds are going to shut down. And that of course also means that we're going to disconnect from our smartphone. So we can see this here on the left side of the screen. And now since both earbuds were shut down, we now have to manually start them back up. So we just press and hold the buttons on both earbuds for like 2 to 3 seconds until you see the blue light blinking. And after the factory reset, the earbuds are going to go immediately into the Bluetooth pairing mode. That's why you see now both earbuds blinking here in this pattern. And if we try to reconnect to the earbuds with my phone right now, then the phone says, I can't do this. We have no more access to these earbuds, and it's going to forget them. And so now, since the earbuds are already in the pairing mode, now the phone is going to find again the earbuds and we can pair to them again immediately. Yeah, and that was the entire process of how to perform the factory reset on the JBL VIBE100tws, or also how to unpair these earbuds from all devices. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.